How to create a simple journal on Notion for trading. So create a Notion account as you can see here. Now just go and click on start a new page. Now here these are my pages and I can just go and click on add a page inside, or I can just start a new page here. Now here you have to just go and click on, just go to home and click on new page. Right in the new page, here name your page something like my trading journal. Select tables from option to create. Right from here you can just go and click on select tables and just go and create a tables. Right, it is here. Now here in the tables section, it will just option a database. You will need to define the following columns, for example date, instruments, I mean the stocks or forex or commodities, whatever you're doing, enterprise, exit price, and trade size, profit loss, and the note. Right, so this is how you can just do so, and this is how, for example, a new empty database here, this is my new, and this is how you can do so. Customize a general, you can add additional columns based on your preferences. Right, I'll just go and click on plus icon. Now here I can just go and select here, there's a lot of option. Right, and in this way I can just go and click on multi select and I can select a lot of option. For example, a wrapping view, or emotions or emojis and everything, review section, and if you want to do it, if you don't want to build from scratch, you can use Notion. So there's a lot of Notion available, paid and free, on Google. You can buy them, or you can just create your own. Right, so this is a way to do it, and thanks for watching this video.